Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. So I promised I would show you the journal that I received from Debbie at Kipp's Korner. I'm so excited to share it with you because I love it so much. And she did a fabulous job. I'm going to link to her channel and to her Etsy shop in the description box below, so you can go and check her out if you aren't already following her. All right, so first of all, the packaging. I love this like bag that she put everything in. It's just fabulous. All right. So of course I've already gone through this. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. So if I do, I apologize. Okay, I think it's passing. Sorry, it got really warm here again. Like, I mean, it was really cold, like in the 30s, and now it's like in the 70s again. So my body cannot function under these conditions. So yeah, I apologize if I'm sniffly and if I sneeze. Just ignore me. All right, so let's get into the awesomeness here. First of all, she sent me this gorgeous mixed media tag, and oh, it is fabulous. Do you see the like translucent texture paste there? Isn't that awesome? And this gorgeous piece of chipboard. She's my mixed media like inspiration. I want to be like Debbie when I grow up. I love this so much. It is just fabulous. Yes. And oh, that's my note. I'll set that aside. So this is so funny that she included this, and I told her this already, but the night before I received my package from her, I was actually watching the video where she created this. So it was hysterical because I opened it up and I was like, oh my gosh. And my husband was even, because he was sitting in the room while I was watching, and he's like, that does look familiar. I'm like, yeah, it looks familiar. It was just on TV last night. So anyway, isn't this adorable? It's a little envelope folio. I love it so much. It's so cute. And it gives me all kinds of ideas. And then there's all kinds of little pieces of fun ephemera in the little Tim Holtz pocket there. And you've got pockets on the side and pockets in the front, a pocket in the back, and then these are also pockets, or no, just this one. Isn't that awesome? Oh, and here, yeah, I mean, there's just pockets. So I love this, Debbie. Thank you so much. And then the piece de resistance, the adorable Alice in Wonderland journal. I fell in love with this. I was watching her make the covers when she started this series, and you can find the series on her channel. And as soon as I saw this fabric and I sort of watched a little bit of what she was going to do with the front of it, I immediately messaged her and I was like, if I'm allowed to claim a journal for this swap, I want that one. And she was kind enough to let me pick. So I stopped watching all the videos, and yeah, I waited so that I would be surprised, and it was so worth the wait because it is so fabulous. So let me just show you. So she does these gorgeous mixed media covers, and you've got the Alice image there, and the little lock, and the little bunny key. How cute is that? And this fabric is my absolute favorite. And then some little pieces of vintage like doily or applique. And then this gorgeous lace down the spine. And this cute little charm here. I need to get some of these. These are really cute. And then the back is just the gorgeous fabric. And then this floofy, awesome sari silk closure. And she just has it on a little hitch post here. And oh yeah, little book corners, everything. Just the attention to detail and the awesome way she does things. It's just amazing. I love it so much. I've gone through this a couple times now, and every time I'm just like oohing and awing, and yeah, I just, oh yeah, and this fabric pocket here with this adorable little pin I love this. Another mixed media tag inside. Oh, yeah, I think the Harlequin pattern is like my absolute favorite of all time. I love that so much. I'm gonna keep saying that, and I'm gonna try to control myself. But there's this gorgeous end paper here. Let me tuck that back inside. And then another tag. Love, love, love. Love. Everything that she does is just, you can tell that she just does it with such care and love for her craft. And then I think, and Debbie, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think she beeswaxed the pages, the first pages of the signatures. If not, you got to tell me what you did, because it feels fabulous. It's so soft. I love it. I just keep touching it. It's so weird. This gorgeous little bead dangle pin here, and this lace. And I love this doily just in the middle like that. And this is fabulous. I know she did a video, at least I'm pretty sure I saw it come up, and I ignored it because I knew it was for these journals, and I didn't want to be, I didn't want any spoilers. So I didn't watch it. So I need to go back and watch how she did this, because look, it's like a tab, but it's see-through. She's got acetate here. Or actually, I think it might be laminated. But how cute is that? I love that idea so much. So I'm going to go check that out. And then everything is just beautiful. And lots of places to write. I don't know if I ever will write in it because I have a problem. And I have all these gorgeous journals from all these amazing creators. And I just love them for their art. And I just sit and flip through. This is from a book. It had cut out, or punch out tops, so it's really neat. I know she showed it during the series in this really pretty handmade paper. Little journaling card here, and everything is backed onto something, so it's, you can write on it and everything. Center here, and then this gorgeous little key. And I love how she made this pocket with the playing cards. It's so, so cute. Love it. So yeah, we'll see. I'll either write in it, or I'll just enjoy sitting and staring at all the beautiful bits and pieces. I love that. The die cut pages is really cool. I don't know if I could ever figure out a way to do that without having a book that does it for me, but I might have to work on that. This is gorgeous. And she puts some masking paper on the back to write on. It just, okay, Debbie, was this printed out like this? Or do you have a stamp that does the sewing stitch? Or did you do this by hand? My husband and I have a bet going. My husband thinks you did it by hand, and I say it might be a stamp, but you could definitely have done this by hand because you are that talented. So I need to know. Let me know. And I love this. I love everything. And I love how she put the book page inside the envelope. Like, it's just so clever. Everything is just perfect. And her dyed paper is gorgeous. And again, this feels like beeswax here. And then this really pretty, I don't know if you can see, it's got a heart in the center. Her lace is gorgeous. And a little tabby thing here. And the book pages feel amazing. Everything is just, that feels like beeswax too. Got a little tag here. Yeah. Little white rabbit. And that blue sari silk is gorgeous. I love this page. And these cards are amazing. I love this page. I know I recognize one of the kits as my porch prints, but I'm not sure the other kits. So if you go check out Debbie's channel, you'll be able to find that out if you're interested. I'm sure she listed that in the videos. Oh, these are cute because they have cute backs. Aren't those adorable? And then this one. Polka dots are my favorite, so I think I say that about everything. Some more of these adorable little cards. Debbie, are these actual cards or were they a digital? Where did you find these? I love those. And I can go watch the video, so you don't have to answer. And this cute little envelope here. I love that. Yeah, these pages are definitely my porch prints. And then there's oh, this is adorable. Look at this little teacup. I have it hanging upside down because the way I'm holding it, but it's got the little rabbit on it. So cute. Oops. You go back where you belong. All right, there we go. And then this pocket, I know I'm going to say it again, is my favorite. And it has the little white rabbit behind. And then it's Velcroed and has the gorgeous fabric inside. It's made from player piano paper. So cool. Gorgeous doily. Another little tab, fabric tab here. Some more of these adorable cards. I love those. Page from the book, just on a piece of craft paper or cardstock. There we go. And then another one of these die cut pages. So pretty. Debbie, you did an amazing job. I'm just blown away. I love it. Love it. So pretty. I really do love those die cut pages. And then this awesome, I think this is a napkin maybe, or she printed on tissue paper and put that right on the bingo card. Oh, very cool. Very cool. And the long-necked creepy Alice. Woo! There's something about that. I don't know. I'm not the only one. Others have said it. But it kind of just is part of the vintage Alice look, right? Whoops, did I skip a page? No. There we go. All right, we're almost to the end, I think. Yep. And then in the back, another gorgeous piece of old linen. And another one of these cards. And then an adorable little booklet. With all kinds of fun paper inside. Look, this calendar page is from 1909. How cool is that? I absolutely love this, Debbie. I am so, so blessed and honored that you would want to swap with me. And I think it is just awesome. And I love your work. I love your mixed media and just everything about this is my favorite. All right, guys, I hope that was fun. Please go check out Debbie's channel, and I will see you soon. I hope you have a fabulous day. Please take care and stay safe, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.